it, but because of some structure, some foundation issue, so the government decided to move into this new compound. So here it started operating on December 2011. The site of this new King Palace is about 240 acres and costing about 800 million ringgit Malaysia. And among those unique features that it has in this new King Palace is there a total of 22 domes on top of the castle. And during the night time, the reflect of the decorative lights will illuminate all the domes and will create an impact to its surrounding, which is beautiful to see on the night time. Okay, and for your information, in Malaysia we do have a total of 13 states and 3 federal territory. Okay, those 3 federal territory including Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya, our administrative center, and one other region called Labuan. It's beside the states of Sabah, on the east part of Malaysia. So among those 13 states, 9 of them are administered by the Sultan, the head of the royal family, and the rest are administered by the governor. So among those 9 sultans from 9 states, they will take turn to be crowned as a king for 5 years in rotation system. Right? And the current king came from the states of Johor, is on the south part of Malaysia, just beside the Singapore. His name is Kebawa Joli Yang Maha.
Well, hello. Welcome to the King's Palace. So due to traffic and it's just traffic congestion, we're gonna be missing a few stops on this tour, just so we can kind of fit everything in because our tour is only supposed to be 4 hours. But here we are at the King's Palace, the Istana Negara, and it has a total of 22 domes, and I guess at night it's quite a sight to see because all the domes get illuminated by the light. And yeah, apparently there's like kings that go in rotations in this country. There's 5 in the term lasts for 5 years. They each take turns being kings, so that's like really quite civilized. No wars. Yeah, let's go check out the gates.